Hi dears, welcome back to English class. Today our revision lesson number 8, the lion and the young woman. Which lesson? Lesson number 8, chapter name is the lion and the young man. Okay. In this lesson, we will revision word meaning, opposite word, fill in the blanks, true or false, answer the following questions, write the synonyms. Then first, word meaning. Cunning, cunning, clever. Dense means thick. Hurry means very quickly. Amass means surprise. Once again, cunning, clever, dense, thick, hurry, very quickly, amass, surprise. Okay. Then opposite word, admit. Opposite word is reject, attack. Opposite word defend, doubt, confidence, crooked. Opposite is straight, official. Opposite is unofficial. Admit, reject, attack, defend, doubt, confidence, crooked, straight, official, unofficial. Then next, synonyms. What are the synonyms? Sense, synonymous is meaning. Quit, synonymous leave. Remote, distant. Relate, narrate. Observe, watch. Sense, synonymous word is meaning. Quit, synonym word is leave. Remote, synonym word is distant. Relate, synonym is narrate. Observe, synonym is watch. The next step, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks में the lion was caught dash. Option, in a net, in a cage, in a large bag, in a trap. Answer is the lion was caught in a cage. Then second, the lion showed the young man a silver bangle, 2 golden rings, a diamond ring, 2 golden bangles. The lion showed the young man 2 golden bangles. Answer, 2 golden bangles. The third one, the young man wanted dash. The young man wanted to get the golden bangles, to help the lion, to see the lion free, to make the cage empty. The answer is the young man wanted to get the golden bangs. The next fourth one, the old man was dash. The old man was foolish, greedy, clever, mad. Answer is clever. The old man was clever. The next fifth, we should help dash. Everybody, only for our friends, our enemies, only those who deserve. The correct answer here, we should help only those who deserve. The next, true or false? Right? True or false? First question, the old man was clever man. Answer is true. The cage was too small to keep a lion in it. Answer is false. Third, the lion killed both the men. Answer is false. Fourth one, the young man came the old man. Answer, true. The next, answer the following questions. Who was called by the lion? First question is who was called by the lion? Answer is a young man was called by the lion. Who was called? A young man was called by the lion. Second question, what did the lion want? What did the lion want? Answer, the lion wanted the man to set him free. The lion wanted the man to set him free. Third, what was the young man afraid of? What was the young man afraid of? Young man was afraid that if he did so, the lion would kill him. The young man was afraid that if he did so, kill him. Fourth, what did the lion promise to the young man? The lion promised the young man that he will not kill him. The lion promised the young man that he will not kill him. Fifth question, how did the old man solve the problem? How did the old man solve the problem? Answer, the old man solved the problem by tricking the lion back into the cage. The old man solved the problem by tricking the lion back into the cage. Sixth question, what was the old man's advice to the young man? What was the old man's advice to the young man? Answer, the old man's advice to the young man was to help only those who deserve. The old man's advice that the young man was to help only those who deserve. Okay, this is the eighth lesson in the important questions. So you should study thoroughly for your examination. Okay.